Hey everybody, it's so nice to have. Hey everybody, it's so nice to have all of you join us this weekend because this weekend we're going back to hacking. I'm Manya, I'll be your coach, and you can find me if you run into any JavaScript related problems because that's my favorite programming language. And also, if you have any problems, anything that you need to ask this weekend, you can reach out to me. You can also follow along online because MLH will be active on all the socials throughout the weekend. So keep an eye out for interesting updates and anything that's happening on our hackathons this weekend. And you can follow along using the hashtag back to hacking. Share all your hackathon experiences, and we would love to see it. Meet your other friendos because in addition to myself, we'll be joined by Nathan, Sajal, and Ritvi. So we've got the whole gang ready. So make sure that your hacks are ready to go back to some great shape this weekend. So this weekend is all about getting back to the very basics of hacking. You learn from your mistakes and dust up your old projects to maybe fix them up with creative solutions. Whatever you will, we just want you to have a lot of fun this weekend. So you can join the celebration by joining our Discord server, which is where you'll be getting all notifications about any events or activities that are taking place this weekend. So make sure you head over on the link that you see on your screen. Also, it's not too late if you haven't registered yet. So make sure you sign up for Back to Hacking by going on the link that you see here on your screen. Also, we haven't forgotten about the swags. So anybody who's in attendance can sign up and check in at this link and you will get your swags. So I love to see first time hackers. So how many first time hackers do we have here? Let's hear it in the chat. We really welcome all first time hackers. But if you're new here, you're probably wondering what's that small MLH in the corner? So let's talk about it. What is Major League Hacking? Major League Hacking is a global hacker community, and we have more than 135,000 hackers just like all of you. So, thank you for making our community so big and participating in all the events that you do. When you participate in member events, local hack day, local host workshops, first party events like the one you're witnessing right now, you win community points, not just for yourself, but also for your college and your community. So make sure to participate as much as you can because and the next 48 hours are jam packed with so many activities. We are hosting a ton of workshops today, starting with an introduction to threat hunting using elastic security. So if you're interested in cybersecurity, make sure to join Ethan today. The times listed here are different time zones. If you see yours, you know when to join. Also, we have an early talent opportunities at SAP workshop that's going to be happening today at around 9 a.m. PT. So make sure that you check in for this cool workshop. Also, if you've been curious about what careers look like in the United States Space Force, make sure to join a special presentation by specialist Haley Atkins and ask them more about their career as a technologist with the US Space Force and some tips on how you can get involved as well. Then on Saturday, we have Aishika, our very own coach, telling us how to collaborate with GitHub. So make sure that you tune in for her workshop tomorrow at 11 a.m. ET. But apart from this, all these workshops, what are the mini events that we're hosting? So we obviously start with our favorite hacker hangouts. We'll be running 3 sessions to make sure that they're friendly for different time zones. It's a great place for you to meet fellow hackers and just sort of have a good time. They'll be held on the Discord voice channel. So if you need another reason to join his Discord, here you go. After that, it's time probably for you to take a break from hacking. So join us for a quick game of slideshow karaoke. It's a lot of fun. Make sure to tune in. All of this will be happening on our Discord server, so make sure you join it. We will also be playing a fun game of resume pairing tomorrow. So make sure that you join us at 6 p.m. UK time. And looking forward to having all of you there. Then today we'll be running 3 challenges with the US Air Force cybersecurity challenges at 5 p.m. ET. So come along and learn some cool cyber skills while you're here with us. you get a chance to win these 2020 season mascot tees when you register for these events. So all MLH event attendees are eligible to receive one with our lovely Frankie as the design. So make sure that your address is up to date when you're checking in with us, and you will be eligible to get one of these beautiful limited edition tees. Okay, that's all the fun stuff, but what are the tools that you have for this weekend? So, first of all, I would like to thank SAP for sponsoring the first, second, and the third overall prize categories this weekend. If you're curious to learn more about SAP, head over to the link that you see on the screen. And all the current SAP interns who are joining us this weekend, submit your projects to the Explorer prize tag for a chance to win a Holy Stone drone. How cool is that? Adding on to this, we have free Google Cloud credits for everybody. Check your email to redeem up to 100 US dollars in Google Cloud credits, which can be redeemed at $50 a time. You can redeem $100 per Google account, and you can create as many accounts as you want. Refill codes are available, so just talk to an MLHer if you need something. We are also doing a prize for the best use of Google Cloud. So if you make use of these credits, you are eligible to win a prize as well. Similarly, we have free domain names from domain.com for all of you. So you can claim a free .tech domain by going on the link that you see on the screen and using the weekend code Thanksgiving. Additionally, there is also a prize category for domain.com. So if your domain name is the best, you get a prize for that. We also have free domain names from GoDaddy Registry and a website builder, which you can use to easily work on your hacks without knowing a lot of coding. So you can get a free .co, .biz, .us, .study, or .courses domain for one whole year. There is also a prize for the best domain name from GoDaddy Registry, but it goes for hackers in the APAC only. But the promo code can be used by everybody for the whole weekend. If you are interested in space apps, you can also build a space theme app and get a chance to win a wireless Bluetooth speaker. So, to qualify as a winning team, the majority of your team members should be located in the United States, but not everybody needs to be in the United States. Mixed region teams are also allowed to submit to this prize category as long as the majority of the team has a US address on file with MLH. So if you want to make your hacks even cooler, you can make use of the tons of cool APIs that Twilio have for us. Twilio is sponsoring the most creative use of Twilio prize category this weekend. And the prize is a Game Go console and a swag box, including socks, stickers, and scrunchies. So use any of the Twilio APIs. You get free $50 for trial. You don't need any credit cards. So get started with the link that you see on your screen. You can also use one of Linode's wide array of cloud products and take your hack to a whole new level. If you're looking to build a full stack application, stand up a server, build a database, or cloud host a website, Linode is the way to go. So head over to the link that you see here, and you're also eligible for $100 in free credit. What's even better is that if your hack uses Linode and it wins a prize in that prize category, you get a chance to win Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit. How cool are those starter kits? So CockroachDB is actually a SQL database that I'm pretty sure many of you have heard of. So now you can launch your cluster directly from the cloud with like a complimentary free month of access and unlimited use. We'll be giving t-shirts to literally any team that utilizes CockroachDB in their project. So just mention a screenshot of your cluster activity in DevPost, and you'll be eligible for a free t-shirt. In addition, there is a winner for the prize category of CockroachDB, and they'll be receiving a 3D printing pen. That sounds so cool. Now, thanks to our friends at GitHub, we are also hosting a Draw an Octocat and Win an Octocat event. So if you have your creative juices flowing in you, just make sure that you submit a cute drawing or anything that you can come up with of an Octocat or the way you imagine an Octocat, and tweet your entry with all the different details you see here. And that's all you need to do for it. So these are all the MLH and sponsor prices. I am really looking forward to see what space apps we see this weekend, and really want to know what all of you are working on. But what else are we doing this weekend? First of all, we also have a GitHub student developer pack for you. So they're also offering, GitHub is not just making the raffle possible, but they're also giving all of us this developer pack. So to make sure that your hacks are possible. So with industry standard tools, this pack is like full of so much cool stuff, and it's available for free with the student email. We also have a ton of hackathon starter kits in case this is like your first hackathon and you want to code, but you don't know where to start from. So there are a ton of cool templates and starter kits that we have that you can make use of and hopefully have a great time hacking this weekend. You can also head over to our career labs if you're looking for opportunities like internships, graduate positions, or any further thing in your career. Just head over to our link and find awesome jobs. So, is there anything else that you need to do? There is still more prizes for you coming this way. So we have a best incomplete hack prize category this weekend. So if you build on theme ambitious hacks and your team is comprised of at least half newcomers, so which means over half of your team has new hackers, you get a chance to win a mini presso espresso machine. Just so great. And the next hack that we have for you is the best MVP hack. So I'm looking forward to see what you all build. These are all the back to hacking prizes, and I am truly looking forward to all of your submissions. So if you actually submit a demo with us, you get an I demoed sticker, and these stickers are so cool because every weekend these are new I demoed stickers based on the theme of the hackathon. So you get to like make a whole collection out of them, and you're eligible for it if you make a submission. So make sure to show us your demos, show us what you're building over the weekend, and we'll send you these really lovely I demo stickers. We really want everybody to submit a demo regardless of where your progress is at. Also, remember to include a demo video, which needs to be a maximum of 2 minutes. Show us what you've built and not just a set of slides that you have. Old projects are welcome in this hackathon, but they need major updates. You must tell us specifically that you are using an older project and tell us what was the feature that you made major updates or changes to. We only judge the hack based on the updates. Also, make sure to link to a public code repo because we want to see the code that you've built and how you've built it over the weekend. So make sure it's either a GitHub, GitLab, whatever you use, a public repository link for us of this weekend. And show us off what you've built by submitting your projects to DevPost. And this is the link that you should be using. Hacking starts today. You have all of today, tomorrow, and some of Sunday to work on your projects, and they are due on DevPost. You can see the deadlines on your screen right now, and judging will start shortly after you finish submitting your projects. Now, on a more serious note, we love that we're going to have a lot of fun this weekend, but hackathons can be fun only if there is safe space for everybody. So we really want to ensure that, and we want to make sure that you feel comfortable throughout this weekend. So if there's anything going on around you that makes you feel uncomfortable in any way, if you don't like the way you're being spoken to, please reach out to a member who's available. You can reach out to me, you can reach out to any of the other coaches that you have, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. And when you participate in this event, you also agree to our code of conduct. If you haven't read this code of conduct before, you can see the link here. So make sure to be respectful of everybody, and we can have a lot of fun this weekend. So I hope to meet and chat with so many of you throughout the weekend. Hope you all have a lot of fun as much as I will, and looking forward to seeing you all. So if you have any more questions, the stage is open, so let me know. Hi, everybody. Nice to see all of you. I see the excitement in the comments, and I'm really excited for what this weekend's hackathon will be like. I already see a couple of questions, so I'll start addressing them. But if you have more, shoot them my way, and I'll try to answer your questions to the best of my abilities. Okay, so does back to hack mean I can work on an existing project and build on top of it? Yes. While you will see that this trend is true for all of our hackathons, mostly all of our weekend first party hackathons, where you can take an old project and update it, like give it a new face, add a new feature, and still submit it to our events. The same is true for Back to Hack. We would love to see older hacks given a new face this time. Now, this is just one of the few ways you can think about this theme. It's more there for your inspiration to sort of let you come up with some ideas on how you can relate with it. But at the end of the day, in MLH hackathons, you're open to hack any sort of project that you would like to. So if you have any other cool idea, which is not an old project, you are still welcome to work on it. And building on top of an old idea is more of an inspiration that we would like to give to you, but it's not something that you have to completely stick to. I hope that's making sense. Praveen asked how long do the $100 in Linode last for, and luckily Wei was able to answer your question. It is actually 60 days for which the Linode credits last for. Yeah, so the theme, Priyanshu, is back to hacking. And again, like I would just like to repeat this over in case anybody joined us right now, that you can sort of build on any sort of project. You can maybe take a old hack and revamp it. Maybe you are getting back to hacking after a long time, and if you have like a new idea that you would like to work on, even that would count as something that goes in for this category. So make sure to, when you're submitting your projects, in the description, make sure to tell us what you were thinking about or how you were thinking about the theme when you submitted it. And again, if you want to work on unrelated theme projects, you're more than welcome to do those as well. It's very open and ended. Thank you so much for mentioning that. That's very true. Like, themes are very open ended. So, hey, Jack, I would love to explain what MLH is. So, we are basically a community. MLH is, first of all, Major League Hacking, and we are a community of global hackers. We have more than 135,000 people with us in the community. There have been more than 250 events, and we do all sorts of things. We have hackathons. We have these events called Local Hack Day, where you work on different technical challenges with us for a period of 5 to 6 days. Then we also do a lot of workshops where we hope that you are able to learn cool new stuff and upskill yourselves. We also partner with other hackathons that are happening and help them out. So you'll see a lot of stuff happening in the MLH community. Now we also have the fellowship that's happening. So yeah, that's a bunch of stuff to join our Discord server, and you will get to hear a lot of updates about all the new stuff that's happening. I'm excited that you're excited for resume pairing. I am too, and hope that will be fun tomorrow. Okay, let's see what other questions we have. I have no idea how to do that, so I'm just going to skip that question. All right, if you have any more questions about anything that's going to happen, let me know and we can chat about that. I don't see more questions. Wait, maybe my feed is loading a bit slowly than it should. So, what is resume pairing? Yes, this is basically a mini event that we'll be running tomorrow on the Discord voice channel. And we'll be basically pairing up and looking at resumes and talking about different things you can change there. So, hope that's going to be fun. Sketch of Octocat does not need to be posted on DevPost, so you just need to tweet your entry, and that's all you need to do. Make sure you add the hashtags properly, because that's how we will find your entries and not via DevPost. So it doesn't have to go on DevPost. Yes. Yep, so everybody's got it right. You just need to use the given hashtags. You need to tag GitHub Education, you need to tag MLH, and you need to use the event hashtag, which is back to hacking. And if you're following around on socials, make sure to tweet about your experiences, how you're feeling, how it's going, maybe tweet about your projects, and tag us using back to hacking. Where can I get the PowerPoint that you presented? Unfortunately, you cannot, but all the details that I mentioned are available on our DevPost page, and any coupon codes that you need are present on our Discord server. So you can go and grab them from there. Can you please share the Discord link? Yes, it's very simple. It's discord.mlh.io. It's super simple like that. Do we have more questions? Hello, everybody who's joining right now. If you've missed any details, again, you can go to backtohacking.fpost.com and you will get a lot of details about what's happening, what are the prices, what is the eligibility, how to sign up. And make sure to join our Discord server so that you keep on getting the latest updates and notifications about events, stuff that's happening, deadline reminders, all of that stuff. So, our whole hackathon runs on Discord. So, make sure to go to discord.mls.io to join the Discord server. With that, folks, thank you so much for joining the kickoff for this weekend. Super excited for all the fun stuff that we have, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you definitely in all of the stuff that we'll be doing. So, hope you all have a great weekend and that we get to see some amazing projects from all of you. Bye. Hope to see you all later.